It is a nice morning today. And I have to go to Boy Scouts today, which I'm super happy about.
Oh, Caillou, how dare you say it is a nice morning. That's it, you are grounded for 1 hour. Go to sleep right now.
What? Dad, I can't go back to sleep, I have school today.
Well, that's not my problem. When you get back home you will come straight back into that bed of yours. Go and eat your breakfast right now. Oh. Caillou, you are grounded for 2 hours. Go to your bus stop now.
Good morning, Caillou and Dora. How are you today?
I'm doing alright.
I'm also doing all right. How about you, little Bill?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking.
Good morning, class. I hoped you had a great weekend. Today we are finishing up the lesson that we left off on Friday last week. Open up your science textbooks. Why do birds fly down to the south during winter? Caillou, can you explain the question to me, please?
It's because up north it gets cold and some of the birds stay in the cold weather while the rest of the birds migrate down in the southern states.
Thank you, Caillou. That is a nice explanation that you gave out to the question. Rosie, can you explain to me what is a black hole?
A black hole has a strong gravitational pull that sucks in everything nearby, not even light can escape it.
Thank you, Rosie, for the explanation to the question that I asked. Kyland, how do airplanes fly?
There are different forces that pushes and pulls that make the flight possible. That is the good enough explanation that I can give, Ms. Martin.
That is a perfect explanation, Kyland, thank you. Little Bill, can you explain to me, are sharks mammals?
No, they are not mammals, because mammals are us as humans, polar bears, and many more mammals that gives birth to living young. Sharks are a type of fish, they breathe through gills and they don't have any bones.
Thank you, Little Bill, for that. Class, you can go to lunch. Right now we can pick up where we left off. Welcome back from recess, class. Let's start with math. Quincy, if 1 is equal to 3, 2 equals to 3, 3 equals to 5, then what is 6 equals to?
Is 6 equals to 3 because of the number of letters, that the number is in the letter formed of that number, so it is 3. Ms. Martin, is that right? XD.
That is right, Quincy. June, if I am an odd number, take away 1 letter and I become even. What number am I? It is 7, because you are taking away the S from the number 7 and it becomes even. Ms. Martin. Is that right? That is right, June. Annie, it is now your turn. You are using only an addition. How do you add 8 eighths and get the number 1000? It is 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 1000. Ms. Martin, that math problem was super easy. Can you please give me a little harder question? That is right, Annie. And sure, I will give you a harder question since you thought that problem was easy for you. If there was 2 girls were born to the same mother at the same time and yet somehow they're not twins. Why not? Because there was a 3rd child born alongside them, so that makes them triplets. That is right again, Annie. Maxwell, how can you get to the number 100 by using 4 sevens, and a 1, 1?
There are 2 answers to that question. The first answer is 177 minus 77 is equal to 100. And the other answer is 7 plus 7 times 7 plus 1/7 is equal to 100. Ms. Martin.
That is correct, Maxwell. Now let's move on to history. Dora, which country did the United States bought Alaska from?
It's Russia, that the US had bought Alaska from. Ms. Martin.
That is correct, Dora. Kayla, which era marked a switch from agricultural practices to industrial practices? You can phone a friend if you don't know.
It is the Industrial Revolution. Ms. Martin.
That is correct, Kayla. Mary, who are the 4 presidents that is on Mount Rushmore?
It is George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Jefferson, and Theodore Roosevelt. Who is on Mount Rushmore?
That is correct, Mary. Now it is time for reading. Everybody get your reading books out and read. Okay, class, that took us a little longer than I expected us to. We are going to gym. Okay, class, it is the end of the day. You can go home now. See you tomorrow, everyone.
Caillou, how dare you come home? That is it, you are grounded for 5 hours. Go to your room and do your homework.
Time to do some homework.
Caillou, how dare you do your homework? That is it, you are grounded for 6 hours. Go eat dinner right now. You bad boy.
Boris, why are you yelling at Caillou for?
Dad have been grounded me for no reason all day.
Oh, hi Doris, didn't see you there. How's it been?
Don't give me that crap, Boris. Since you have been grounding Caillou all day for no reason, you are grounded for the whole week. Go to the guest room right now.